Okay. You didn't have any hatches open, did you?
I didn't touch anything.
Okay. You ready? I'm jumping in. Don't flip my kayak. Let go of my kayak for a second. I'm gonna hold on to this side. Are you gonna be able to climb into this?
I don't know.
You gotta give everything you got, okay?
What? Got it.
I got this side. You gotta give everything you got to get in. Reach across, grab me. Nope. Keep reaching.
There's something in my... Let me get this out of my pocket.
Keep going. Kick. Keep going. Okay, now don't overlean. Don't lean too far this way, okay? One leg up.
Break for a second.
Yep. Good time. Just make sure you do not overlean. Slide your butt in.
What?
Good thing I got your phone.
Yeah. Pull it in.
Slowly start reeling in, okay?